Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 14th day of October, 2025. Um, what is going on? Here we go. All right, no worries. All right, the setup is as follows. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room. Here's a trade taken in the room today by myself and others in the room. As we usually do, we look for our strong candle indicator, which is only available at Samurai Day Trading. And we trade in the direction that the arrow points and the color that it points. So it's pointing down and is red, so we're going to trade this short. We're down towards the bottom of the screen. We need to look over here at PVI and see that the market's pretty quick today. So we expect the next candles to be anywhere from 70 to 120 ticks long. So we're going to pair our ATM to that. We're going to go a little bit larger. We're going to use 20s, 40s, and 80s. And we're going to de-risk the trade after 20s and show you what this is kind of interesting how this all happened today and actually turned out very, very nicely. So let's go ahead and come down to 1 times. We want this to come up and push retrace off this moving average. So we'll go ahead and put a cover order on. And we'll start. And this is how it all went down. Now, as soon as we get picked up in this trade, we'll speed it up. There we go. We just need that move back towards the moving average. All right, first thing we need to do is put our stop where it belongs, which is up at last failure point. Then we'll speed it up. You'll notice that once our first target's hit, we get to a break-even position with our stop. So this plays around for quite a while before it actually hits it. So towards the end of the candle. So we'll speed it up maybe one more time. And we want to stop this after our first target's out. Just to show you what happens with the stop. So you can see it paddles around for pretty much. All right, I noticed the stop went from all the way to the top to a break-even position. So if the market comes back and takes it out now at a minus 18, we will have broken even and paid our fees. Now we're going to try and hit runners of 40s and 80s. Target filled. Okay, now this is really interesting to show you what happens here. Now we can't lose any money. We have 80 ticks in the bank. We're at minus 18 on our stop for our final target. So we can only make money on this trade. Now, the interesting part is if this comes back and takes us out, we can decide whether we want to re-enter the trade or not. And let me show you how that all worked. Now, this is going pretty quick. So I got to get another order ready. And we'll see how it goes. Because it does come up here. All right. All right, now we can re-enter the same trade again. If this double fails off this moving average, it's a pretty good trade. Put our stop where it belongs. Same thing. Well, our first ones, our first two are already paid. And now we'll see if we can get our larger target hit. Boom, boom, boom. There it is. All right. Now this trade took a total of 9 minutes to complete. We actually got into it twice and was worth $1,155. So if you want to learn how to make $1,155 in 9 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com, home of the strong candle indicator where you will not find anywhere else. So come and join us. We look forward to having you in the room. Until next time, God bless you, and we'll see you then.